a super easy dice game that is a lot of fun. We each have a set of dice, 1 through 6, and a corresponding set on a line. We use blue tape, but you can use anything that you want. The point of the game is to try and slide your number to match its corresponding number along the line and have the smallest gap between the two that you can. So you don't want to have this one too far away or send this one so far that it has a gap. So it's the distance from both dice to the line itself, and you want to have that super small. If you want to make a more advanced game, you can shuffle these dice here, so maybe your 1 is over here that you're trying to launch to the 1, and maybe the 6 is here to launch to the 6. But we have all of ours in line order to make it a little simpler for the younger kids, and we're going to see again who at the end has the smallest gap between all of them from the blue line. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, line up our numbers 1. Oh, you want to start with the 6? Okay, we'll start with the 6. On your mark. Get set. Slide. Oh, that was perfect. All right. Oh, leave it there. It's about right there. All right, number 5. Ready, set, slide. Oh, I accidentally knocked out my number 4. Ooh, your 5 was really good. All right, number 4. Ready, set, slide. Oh, yours was amazing. That is exactly what you want. Good job. All right, numbers 3, ready, go. Ooh, mine was pretty good. Ooh, yours is close too. This is gonna be a tight game. Number 2, ready, go. Oh, yours is amazing. All right, last one. Number 1, on your mark. Get set, slide. Oh, you're seeing what your competition was. Good job. That's amazing. So, yours is super close. So you could get a measuring stick out and measure them, but just eyeballing this, he's got almost all of his on the line, and as long as they're any part on the line, that counts, whereas I have several that are off. So I can tell already that you are our big winner. High five. Good job. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.